Alright, YouTube, I am here with my EUROCLEAN, my white base EUROCLEAN. Now, of all the times I've used this, it always seemed like, I know I haven't admitted this, but it always seems like the height is lower than it really is. Like, high would seem like normal, and normal would seem like low, and low would just seem like it's lowest. So, I was looking into it, like I never thought I'd have to do, because I always thought that it was just the best airflow out of all my vacuums. Well, it turns out, if you can notice that, it's kind of worn down to almost nothing. There's even a lot of play in the wheel. That is not supposed to be that way. So, you can already know that this is wore out on both sides. See, wore out on both sides. So, I'm going to be showing y'all how to change the base or the front wheels on one of these things. I bet there's never been a video of how to change the front wheel axle and everything on the vacuum, the sanitary, EUROCLEAN, Kent, Select Vac, Relivac, whatever, you name it. Genuine, Eureka, whatever. So, I'm going to do that. I don't have a base plate on here because I got the belt, brush roll, and everything on my Select Vac and my Eureka commercial. So, I'm sure pretty much all of us know how to get the hood and stuff off, so I'm going to do that out of the video. I even have a video of how to service a sanitaire under the hood already on my channel, so yeah, I'll be back with the hood and everything off. Okay, now what you want to do, take your torque screwdriver and back out these screws, which will also drop your top plates over the wheels. When you take these screws out, don't lose them. Same goes for your springs that hold the hood on. Now just take out the torque screws, because you don't want to back that out and lose that for sure. You'll take these top plates out, don't lose them either. They're not really that important, but I wouldn't lose them anyway. Ooh. Don't lose these springs either. Whoops. Yeah, take these out. Don't lose your screws. There's got to be 4 of them. And they're kind of magnetically sticking to my screwdriver. Don't lose your top plates. Like I said, not important, but I still wouldn't lose them. Oops. Yeah. Another thing you don't want to lose is the spring that goes over your back, that goes on your back wheels. Take your wheel off and take your spring off. Yeah, that's wore down for sure. And putting a new one on is just putting one on in reverse. Roommate popped in, just letting me know he's here. Annoying as hell. Anyway, I got a base here, which is from a SC 887 that I parted out because the motor was shot, the bearings were shot. It's plastic motor anyway. Surprisingly does have bearings, but put this on is putting it back in reverse. I'll take that off and just show it just to complete the video. Okay, now that you got your new wheel and axles assembly, just slide this back into your base. Oops. Reattach your height adjustment spring. Kind of a pain to do when you're using one hand. There's a little pinhole for it underneath the thing. And put your little things back on. You put your metal plates on first. Like this. And that should stay right there. Put your torque screws back in place. And you'll drive those in with your torque screwdriver. Can be a frustrating process, but it can be done. I think I'm putting these in the wrong holes, but that's quite alright. And the same goes for the other side. 2 screws. Your little latch thing, whatever you want to call it. It's your vacuum. And I'm sorry if the camera's not looking at the vacuum. It's kind of frustrating when you're trying to look at something in reality and on film. And there you go. You got your wheel assembly replaced, and putting the hood on back on and latching it on is same as taking it off in reverse. So hope you enjoyed it, hope you got some information out of that, useful, and I will clean this up since I have it apart. I got my Scott shop towel here. I can do that easily, right quick. So until next time, bye.